students was to design sometimes for every room. That as a future curriculum was good to inspiration from the colonies and Native Americans.
They came to America and they had to use the resources that surround them.
A naturalist is someone who studies nature and uses it wisely.
To understand what a naturalist is, we collected natural materials from around the school campus and made it into something that performs a job for humans.
For example, we made bows and arrows, hats, flower crowns, spears, fishing poles, dusters, and nets.
Next, we took a look at how our actions affected the environment. First, we looked at what happens when pollution enters water. We added drops of milk to water and saw how the water becomes cloudy. This is called turbidity.
Turbidity makes it hard for sunlight to reach plants at the bottom of a river or lake.
Next, we did an experiment to see what happens to an organism, yeast, when its environment is polluted.
When yeast is put into water, it produces lots of bubbles of carbon dioxide. But if you put it in vinegar water, it doesn't produce as many bubbles.
If organisms like fish or frogs live in polluted water, they will have trouble surviving.
Next, we looked at problems in our school. This year, teachers were told to not use Clorox wipes. Clorox wipes and other materials like them, products like them, have chemicals that are bad for the environment.
Teachers were worried about how to keep their desk clean for students, so we made a green cleaner. A green cleaner is made out of household items and is not non-toxic to the environment.
To make a greener cleaner, we had to use the engineering design cycle. The engineering design cycle is the process of creating.
In the design cycle, you first see a problem in the brainstorm. Next, you test your solutions and see how you can make them better.
In our case, the problem was that we needed a cleaner that was allowed at school. The solution was to make a greener cleaner. Our class then worked to make the best cleaner possible by combining different ingredients.
We could use any combination of vinegar, water, lemon juice, dish soap, borax, salt, and baking soda.
Each group did their own cleaner. Then each group tested it out. Next, the groups made improvements to the cleaner. Introduced a new set of ingredients. Some of the same materials that Native Americans and colonists used. We had to include one natural resource. Our new options were pine, hickory, witch hazel, ginseng, corn, or cranberries.
Finally, we had a clean-up. To determine which cleaner was truly the best, we conducted a blind study. A blind study is when neither the testers nor the participants know which cleaner is which.
We used a blind study format so that no one would have a bias. A bias is where there's an opinion going on to a study. For example, I would want my own cleaner to win, so that would make me an unfair judge.
We had a table covered in mud and sectioned off into different parts. Our homeroom teacher came in and sprayed 2 sprays of one cleaner into one section and repeated this for all the cleaners.
Next, we randomly wiped off mud squares for 30 seconds. Then we had another random person come up and wipe the square with a clean paper towel to see how much mud was left on the mud.
Lastly, we all evaluated how clean the square was. The class agreed there was a clear winner. We mass-produced enough cleaner for at least 8 classrooms.
We also made labels with his name, Squeaky Clean, and ingredients and cautions.
Now we would like to invite you to test our final product at our tables. Thank you for listening to our presentation. Please find a table.
All right. So